Perfect Teint Foundation is a long-lasting foundation with excellent coverage, oil-free for whole skin type, especially for oily. The texture for this foundation is quite light texture. You barely can feel it on your skin. The coverage for this foundation is a medium to high and blends really easily and well on your skin. Let's try the Perfect Teint Foundation. First of all, we need to find the right shade for your skin. I'm gonna try here. First color. Second color. The right color is the one that you cannot see. In this case, this one. Before you apply, shake it well. So in this area here, we apply always circular motions from inside to outside to fill in the whole pores. Just apply a second layer, dabbing the brush like this, and you can get a really great coverage.